Cyrus. We know that all of you love a great deal when it comes to your drone and drone accessories, and for the month of October, we have a great one. The team over at Teledyne FLIR announced that all new purchases of the Cyrus drone system in the month of October will receive a second pair of batteries for the drone for free. That is a $599 savings, and this is a deal you do not want to miss out on. Supplies are limited, and it does not apply to any purchases prior to October 1st. There's nothing you have to do to take advantage of this offer. Simply purchase your Cyrus here from us at Florida Drone Supply, and you will receive your Cyrus system along with 2 sets of batteries. It is that simple. This offer applies to all purchases, whether it be a website, part of a government bid package, or in-store purchases as well. If you want to learn more about the Cyrus platform, click on the links in the description below to take you to our training playlist that contains so many videos on how to operate and utilize all of the technology on board this system. To purchase the Cyrus and take advantage of this offer, click on the link below and we will get you taken care of. We have these systems on the shelf and ready to ship out to you today. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.